It's time now for our bite of the week. It comes from the daughter of a pensioner. She was expressing frustration following a delay in the pension payments for June. Here's our bite of the week.
Can they go to JPS, NWC? Can they go to the clinic, the private doctor, to say, Doctor, JPS, I don't have money? No. Can you wait until July when AGD release my money? No. They have worked all their years. When I came here and see the situation inside, with these older folks inside, how many of them have a daughter like me or somebody who was youthful like me to speak up on their behalf? If I didn't walk with a sandwich this morning for my father, you have persons in there who are diabetic, hypertensive, nobody's walking around with a cup of tea or something, and he's sitting down gonna wait until July month end to wait on something that he already worked for, put in the work for. This is crazy.